the Daintree Rainforest, ancient, mystical, whispering secrets on the wind, a living relic from time's dawn, 180 million years old, older than the Amazon, a time capsule of evolution. Sunlight filters through the dense canopy, painting the forest floor in dappled light. Vines twist like living ropes connecting towering trees. The air is thick with humidity, alive with the hum of insects. This is a place untouched by time, a sanctuary for life's oldest stories. The Daintree is a living laboratory of evolution. It has survived ice ages, volcanic eruptions, and the movements of continents. Its inhabitants a testament to resilience and adaptation. A symphony of life played out over millennia. The Daintree is a kaleidoscope of life, boasting over 12,000 species of plants. 430 bird species fill the air with their calls, 13 different types of rainforest, each a unique ecosystem. Life thrives in every corner of this emerald paradise. The silence of the forest is deceptive, teeming with hidden activity. Bennett's tree kangaroos hop through the undergrowth. Southern cassowaries, prehistoric giants, stalk the forest floor. Luminescent fungi glow in the shadows, casting an ethereal light. The Daintree is a haven for rare and endangered species. The endangered mahogany glider, a nocturnal acrobat, the elusive Boyd's forest dragon, camouflaged against the bark of trees, the vibrant Ulysses butterfly, a flash of blue against the green. High above the forest floor, a different world exists. The canopy, a realm of sunlight and shadow, home to a unique cast of characters. Treetops interwoven, forming a verdant ceiling, filtering the sunlight. The canopy is a symphony of life, a constant hum of insects and the calls of birds. Spiderwebs spun between branches glisten like silver threads. Vines, thick as a man's arm, snake their way up towards the light. Here, the agile Lumholtz's tree kangaroo leaps effortlessly between branches. Green tree pythons, masters of camouflage, lie in wait for unsuspecting prey. Fruit bats with their leathery wings take flight at dusk, their shadows dancing across the forest floor. Rivers snake through the rainforest like veins, their water reflecting the emerald canopy. Lifeblood of the Daintree, they teem with creatures both beautiful and deadly. The estuarine crocodile, a prehistoric predator, lurks in the murky depths. Fish flash silver in the sunlight, while turtles bask on logs, slipping silently into the water at the slightest disturbance. Water dragons, their frilled necks extended, watch from the banks. The air is thick with the hum of dragonflies and the calls of kingfishers. The rivers hold secrets, whispered by the ancient rainforest. Stories of floods and droughts, of life and death. A constant reminder of the power and fragility of this ancient ecosystem. Section 5. The Ancient Ones. The Kuku Yalanji people, the rainforest guardians for over 50,000 years. Their connection to the Daintree is profound, a spiritual bond passed down through generations. Their stories, woven into the fabric of the forest, tell of its creation and its power. The rainforest is their supermarket, their pharmacy, their cathedral. They understand its rhythms, its secrets, its language. Plants provide food and medicine, their properties passed down through generations of knowledge. The animals, their brothers and sisters, are treated with respect and reverence. Their dreaming stories, filled with ancestral beings and creation myths, are etched onto the landscape. Waterholes become the resting places of rainbow serpents. Rock formations transform into the petrified forms of ancestral spirits. The Daintree is alive with their presence. The Kuku Yalanji people believe that the Daintree is a living entity, with a spirit and a soul. Every creature, every plant, every rock is interconnected, part of a delicate web of life. Their role as custodians is to protect this sacred balance. Their traditional practices, honed over millennia, ensure the rainforest's survival. Controlled burning, a way to manage the land and encourage new growth. Sustainable hunting practices, ensuring the balance of the ecosystem. A deep understanding of the interconnectedness of all living things. Their knowledge is a beacon of hope, a testament to the power of living in harmony with nature. Their stories, a reminder that we are not separate from the natural world, but a part of it. But this ancient paradise is under threat. Climate change, a global crisis, casts a long shadow over the Daintree. Rising temperatures, changing rainfall patterns, and extreme weather events threaten the delicate balance of this ancient ecosystem. Deforestation, driven by greed and short-sightedness, carves scars into the rainforest's heart. Habitats are fragmented, species pushed to the brink of extinction. The web of life, carefully woven over millennia, begins to unravel. Pollution, from nearby agricultural activities and urban development, poisons the rivers and the soil. Plastic waste, a scourge of the modern world, finds its way into this pristine environment, a stark reminder of our impact. The time to act is now. The future of the Daintree, this irreplaceable treasure, hangs in the balance. The world is watching, hoping that we will have the wisdom and the courage to protect it. We must become the Daintree's voice, its advocate, its champion. We must reduce our carbon footprint, transition to renewable energy sources, and embrace sustainable practices. We must support organizations working tirelessly to protect the rainforest, to conduct research, and to educate future generations. We must listen to the voices of the Kuku Yalanji people, learn from their wisdom and their deep connection to the land. We must support their custodianship and empower them to continue their vital role as protectors of the Daintree. The Daintree Rainforest is more than just a collection of trees. It is a symbol of resilience, of biodiversity, of the interconnectedness of all living things. It is a reminder of our planet's extraordinary past and a beacon of hope for a sustainable future. Let us ensure that the Daintree continues to thrive, a testament to the power of nature and the importance of conservation. Let us leave a legacy for future generations, a world where ancient rainforests still whisper their secrets on the wind. The Daintree is calling. Will we answer?